Is your porch ready for Halloween? Whether you're aiming to spook the neighborhood or just want a fun, festive look for the season, decorating your porch can transform your home into a Halloween masterpiece. But what decorations will create that perfect balance between creepy and creative? Stick around because I'm about to share some amazing Halloween porch decoration ideas that will make your home stand out and have trick-or-treaters lining up at your door. What are some creative ways to decorate my porch steps for Halloween? Introduction. Your porch steps are the pathway to your haunted home, so why not make them as terrifying as possible? Steps can set the tone before anyone even reaches the door. Pumpkin parade. Carve or paint pumpkins with scary faces, then place them along the steps. For a twist, add LED candles inside to light them up at night, or opt for different-sized pumpkins to create a visual cascade. Spider infestation. Drape spider webs across the railings and steps. Add giant fake spiders to make it look like your porch is overrun. For an extra scare, include motion-activated spiders that drop down as someone approaches. Haunted pathway. Line the steps with tombstones or lanterns that light up as someone steps near them. Consider adding fake bloodstains or creepy footprints to create the illusion that something sinister has just passed through our. Drop a comment below if you've got any spooky step ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more Halloween decoration tips. How can I make my porch decorations interactive for trick-or-treaters? Introduction. Halloween is all about creating an experience, and interactive decorations can turn a simple porch visit into a memorable Fright Night adventure. Motion sensor scares. Use motion sensors to trigger spooky sounds or movements, like a creaky door, a popping skeleton, or even a ghost that swoops down as trick-or-treaters approach. Treat or trick surprise. Set up a candy bowl that's actually a clever trap when someone reaches in, a hidden hand or animatronic creature jump out. It's a classic trick that never fails to startle. Interactive props. Consider adding a talking witch or ghost that engages with visitors. You can program it to say spooky phrases or give out riddles that lead to a special candy stash. Want to see more interactive Halloween decor ideas? Check out the playlist in the description for more spooky inspiration. What are some budget-friendly Halloween porch decorations? Introduction. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a hauntingly good Halloween porch. There are plenty of creative ways to spook up your space without breaking the bank. DIY decorations. Use old sheets to create ghostly figures. Stuff them with leaves or newspaper and hang them from the ceiling or tree branches. You can also use cardboard to cut out bat shapes and attach them to the walls. Repurpose everyday items. Turn everyday items like old jars into creepy lanterns by painting them with glow-in-the-dark paint or filling them with LED candles. Old brooms, hats, and clothes can become witchy figures. Point 3. Natural elements. Gather fallen branches, dried corn stalks, or hay bales to give your porch an eerie, natural look. Add a few well-placed cobwebs, and you've got a haunted, farmhouse vibe on a shoestring budget. If you're looking to save money this Halloween, be sure to check the description for more budget-friendly decoration ideas. How can I incorporate a theme into my Halloween porch decorations? Introduction. A themed Halloween porch can take your decorations from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether it's a creepy carnival or a haunted pirate ship, a theme brings cohesion and extra fun to your decor. Pick a theme. Choose a theme that excites you. Classic themes include haunted houses, creepy clowns, or a spooky graveyard. Once you've chosen, stick to it across all your decorations for maximum impact. Coordinated decor. Everything should match your theme, from the welcome mat to the hanging ghosts. For example, if you're going for a haunted pirate theme, use old barrels, treasure chests, and pirate flags to set the scene. Costumed props. Dress your props according to your theme. Skeletons in pirate gear, witches stirring a cauldron, or scarecrows guarding a haunted farm can all make your theme come to life. For more themed Halloween decoration ideas, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. What safety precautions should I take when setting up my Halloween porch? Introduction. While creating a spooky atmosphere is fun, it's also important to keep safety in mind. You want your porch to be scary, not dangerous. Clear pathways. Ensure that all walkways are clear of tripping hazards like cords or loose decorations. This is especially important if you're using fog machines or dim lighting. Fire safety. If you're using candles or lanterns, make sure they're in sturdy holders and placed away from flammable materials. Consider using battery-operated candles as a safer alternative. Sturdy decorations. Secure all decorations properly, especially if they're heavy or hanging from above. You don't want anything falling on trick-or-treaters as they approach your porch. Keep your Halloween safe. And spooky. Share your own safety tips in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Conclusion: your porch is the first thing visitors see, and with these ideas, you'll make sure it's unforgettable. Whether you're going for creepy, fun, or downright terrifying, there's a Halloween porch idea here that's perfect for you. Remember, key is to be creative and have fun with it. Halloween is the perfect time to let your imagination run wild. So which of these ideas will you try out? Let me know in the comments. Like and share. If these ideas gave you a frightful amount of inspiration, don't forget to like and share this video. Comment what's your favorite Halloween porch idea. Drop your thoughts in the comments below playlist. Want more hauntingly good tips? Check out the playlist in the description. Subscribe for more spooky inspirations. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. More similar videos. Check description. If you enjoyed this, there's more where that came from. Check out the description for similar videos. Product as seen on video, check description. Love the props in this video? Find all the products in the description below. Product as seen on video. Interested in the spooky decorations I used? Check the description to get them for yourself.